Hello everyone, welcome to Zahfa Mahardhika drawing channel. Today, I want to teach to you guys how to draw male character's hair. Don't forget give like, share, subscribe, and comment. Watch this video until it runs out to be useful. Let's start the lesson. On my previous time-lapse videos, men's hair is generally short and also depends on the volume of hair on the character. In drawing anime or manga characters, where the strands of the character's hair correspond to the volume or direction. Look the picture. The three characters have different hairstyles. On the character image on the left side, the meeting point between strands of hair, see the arrow. The strand of hair is centered on that point. On the arrow I have marked, means the strands of hair follow the direction of the arrow, and also the hair has volume to the hair. The second and third hairstyles are the same as the first hairstyle. The hair is in the direction of the arrow. So that it's easier to know, let's start practicing it. Don't forget to prepare the tools and materials. I have prepared my character and also put a period. After that, make strands of the character's hair in the desired direction. If something feel lacking, add some details you want. Your character's hair is ready. In the next character, I want to make the hair parted sideways. This method is the same as the previous character. It's just, the difference to markers is like a dot and a line. Don't forget to add some hair details if you feel it's lacking. Always remember in drawing hair, keep watch on the volume in the hair. Your character's hair is done. I'm going to try a side-facing hairdo in the middle. This method is the same as before, only distinguish markers such as a dot or a line. Don't forget to pay attention to the direction of the hair from the marker, and always pay attention to the volume of the hair. Don't forget to add some details if it's not satisfactory. Your character's hair is done. Of the three examples, I hope you can understand. I suggest in this tutorial by practicing. Do not forget to keep understanding the theory that I have conveyed earlier. Thank you for watching to the end. Don't forget to click like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also click notification button with the active description so you don't miss the latest videos. See you on the next video.